Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can redo replies and responses on Gemini AI, so let us guide you through it. So guys, head over to chat and conversation on Gemini AI, and some replies can be requested to be redone, but not all of them. Usually this refers to replies where Gemini AI has experienced problems, for example, or issues. And you may request a redo by clicking into this button. You can do this for each reply, as you can see. So if you'd like to redo an older reply, you will need to copy the given reply and use it for your prompt. For example, can you redo this reply or something like that. But for that type of reply, simply click into that button and wait for the reply to be generated again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.